machine, I like it a lot. Flush is just getting worse. $22. Beautiful. Why do we always show up so early? Okay, what do we gotta do? We gotta get out of this wind, that's what we gotta do, so we gotta set up quick. Alright, come with me. So what I'm gonna be doing is using this rod holder. It's sort of a primitive way of doing it, but it's very effective. Back that drag off. Set where you want. Leave that there, and basically all I want is when a fish picks up the minnow, I want the rod to bend just enough for it to be detectable from where I'm at, but you want the reel to be able to free spool. I find that works quite well for trout. So with that, we're doing set lines today because we're battling 50k winds, big old pockets of slush, all kinds of crap. So I'm going the lazy man's route, but you know what? It works very well. Time in, time out. So I don't mind too much. As fun as it is to jig, sometimes it's nice to just put out some set lines and have a nice fire. The shovel really would have been great. Should I just bring the machine in here? Finally got one here. Nope. Not gonna be huge. Feels like a decent one though. Beautiful little splake. Clean them up for you to get a look at them. It's a beautiful fat little splake, not a big one, but they grow so well in here. They get so thick at a young age. Very healthy fish. Beautiful. About to start. Doing lunch in style today. Perfect. Just went to pull it up and he must have been camped out on it. That's a decent sized splake. Machine's running in the background. We're literally just getting ready to leave. It's been a slow day, just brutally windy, brutally cold. It's about a 15-inch splake, real pretty, nice thick healthy fish. We were just kind of talking about how disappointing the day was. Well, that's a nice little way to finish it. So, awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. We gotta get out of here. I'm freezing.